This was one of the really exciting and unique features that's offered by Virginia Tech, which I didn't find in any other programs.
Monday is our semi-annual pitch day, where we bring our corporate, industry, government, and nonprofit partners to pitch their ideas for challenges for the students to work on in their project-based coursework.
The companies involved were Boeing, Northrop Grumman, the United States Secret Service, the United States Marine Corps Community Services, MARI, and another local Alexandria company that's called Inbox America.
The goal is not to just go code or do something very kind of like specific. A lot of the projects are open-ended, so that would allow the students to kind of like work on creating a solution.
I think it's really valuable to get industry experience.
Instead of class, it's nice to have a project-based learning.
Students get access to real-world problems, so they have real-world impact when they do the work that they do.